So today we are going to cover a topic, how to add bulk users to the AD using the PowerShell script. So let's go into the video. Right click, need to open it with as an administrator mode. So let's open this, and I have located the script in local C script. Under that I have kept two PS1 files just to differentiate between two things. I have loaded the script here. Okay, so here what I'm doing, the first command shows this command shows import add users. So I'm first importing the active directory module. So then it is as I have created a CSV location as a file path as a variable. So with the dollar sign anything on the right side, it denotes the variable. Okay, so here file path, which will read the host, it will prompt for the enter from import the file into the variable. So what I'm doing, I'm locating in file path. That path, the CSV file will be loaded to this particular variable, users variable. So later that I am looping the each row to gather the info. So info each uh, for each user in users. So I have given a variable user and in users gathering the information from this CSV file. So for each user, it will fetch the CSV file. The CSV file it will from user dot the first name. This first name is nothing but the Excel. This name should be matched with your Excel file, the CSV file which you are given. Sorry. So the first name given as the first row what you have given, the same thing should be given to fetch that. So here I am giving user and where I am fetching and from CSV file. The CSV file has the first name. So that uh, so this first name basically explains the file, the exact name in the CSV file. This first name, the first row. Okay. So here it is Abdul. So based upon this, this Abdul will be saved in the this variable, particular variable, f name. So like that. Similarly, we have last name, job title. Here it shows the organization unit where it is going to create my user. So here I have like this. Okay, OUIT on user. So this will be the OU organization unit. So this is how is exactly going to save the variable here. I am fetching the password from this particular variable. Okay, so whenever user login, it should change the password at login. So I am enabling it as true, and this secure password, this variable will be fetched from here. I will be create password. There is one more variable I am creating here, create pass, create secure password equal to convert to secure string. This is a pass. So it will show me account created for name, the first name and the last name, and where it is created. It will show as a output. Okay. So let's run this. Before running this, I will show you where to find the OU. Open this active users and computers. You can see I have created RAHN user as a organization unit and IT and sales as a sub OU. I'll show you one more thing how to create OU. Okay. Okay. So this is how you need to create each and every OU. Any Here you can see the location of the user or this OU sales, OU RAHN user, this one, and DC RAHN and DC ORG. This is the OU path. So this is where we will be creating the user account. Okay, let's cancel this. Now we'll return back to the script now. So let's run the script. Let's see how the output is. So here once I entered AD module is loaded and it is asking for a file path read location and it asks ad users.csv this file. Okay. Just click enter. Can you see the account is created? It is once it created, finally what it is doing, it's echoing. You can see the user is created here. Users for the sales account. Here I have added one more option saying this is here input. I have imported the AD modules and I have directly stored the AD users, given a variable AD users and imported directly as that particular CSV file I have directly imported here. Okay, then I am looping through each row of the CSV. Wait, so these are the account I am going to create under the sales. Okay, so it will give an warning and it will come out of the loop. It will end the loop. Else it will create a, it will proceed with the next line and it will add the new user, and I have given the same account name. This is the parameter and this is the username. Here we will give the same account name, user as a username, user principal name, and a few optional thing I have enabled. So I have given the fields and the account password. So last time I have given a separate variable to fetch the password as a secure password here in this. Okay, in this what I have done here, I have included account password to fetch from uh, password variable which I given here. Okay, and I have post as a plain text and post and change account password at login. I have set it as true. So I'm echoing the user created account. Okay, let's run this file. So sales right now we don't have any users created. So see, now we can see the user getting created in the sales OU. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this 7 account is created in the sales OU. Previously we saw that script using the first script using we created in OU IT. So this time we have created under the sales OU using this script. Okay, let's check the AD active directory users on computer sales. So let's refresh this. Okay, so here you see the account is created. Right, like that. Let's go to the properties of this particular user. You can see a name, last name, the display name, and the email address which I added. So account here, you can see here the user logon name. This is some principal account name, and so here user must change password at next login. So this is what we have enabled it to in the script. Already existed. It should give a warning and it should exit from the loop. Okay, so let's because this already the users are created under the OU, the same name I try to run once more. Let's see. So see here, you can see the warning message. User account with username already exists in the active directory. Sharing you over the description. So the path you can able to fetch the both the scripts. I will add this both the scripts on the CSV files to my description. So from there you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe and share. I'll be back with you on another video. Thank you so much.